Fix Your Phone, the ultimate troubleshooting guide.
Hello there. If you've been having trouble with your smartphone and it's not related to NFC, you're at the right place. Today, we're going to guide you through some common steps to troubleshoot and fix common issues with your phone. So, let's dive right into it.
Is it a software or a hardware problem?
First, we need to identify if your phone's problem is related to its software or hardware. Software problems are often caused by bugs in apps, corrupted data, or system updates. These issues can usually be fixed at home with some simple troubleshooting steps. Hardware problems involve the physical components of your phone. If your phone isn't charging, for example, it could be due to a faulty charging port. These problems may require professional assistance.
Are your apps up to date?
The next step is to check if all your apps are up to date. Outdated apps can sometimes cause problems with your phone's performance. To update your apps, go to your device's app store, like Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and check for any available updates.
Have you tried restarting your phone?
Many issues can be fixed with a simple restart. It's a simple solution, but you'd be surprised at how often it works. So, before moving to more complicated steps, try turning off your phone, wait for a few moments, and then turn it back on.
Is your operating system up to date?
Just like apps, your phone's operating system also needs to be kept up to date. Manufacturers regularly release updates to fix bugs, improve performance, and add new features. Check for any system updates and install them if available.
Have you tried a factory reset?
If none of the above steps work, you might consider a factory reset. Remember, a factory reset will erase everything on your device, so make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. The steps to perform a factory reset vary between devices, so be sure to follow the instructions specific to your device.
Is it time for professional help?
If you're still experiencing problems after trying all these steps, it might be time to seek professional help. It's possible that your phone has a hardware issue that needs to be fixed by a professional technician. There you have it, a simple guide to troubleshoot your smartphone. Remember, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective, so don't overlook the basics. We hope you found this guide helpful, and remember, if you're in doubt, it's always best to consult with a professional. Happy troubleshooting!